www.voice.club is an exciting writing community. Come join us and find your voice, make friends, and improve your skills. Visit us at www.voice.club.
The Saving Nature of Art, written and read by Susan Giles. Gazing at the wild waves crashing on the island's rocky shore, Una has never felt more alone and yet more content. 5 months ago, punishment placed her on an uninhabited island. Her crime? Compassion. You are accused of consistently sharing your food allotment with neighbors ill and unable to work. According to the work equals benefits law, each member of society must work to contribute to the overall good. Your so-called generosity threatens law and peace. The Cultural Equality Committee mandates your arrest. Una is quickly arrested, tried, then sentenced to 6 months solitary confinement on the neighboring island of Yaiko. Isaac stands quietly at crowd's edge, tears in his eyes, equal parts love and pride in his heart. The accused is allowed to carry 2 items. Her choices? Shakespeare's complete works and a pocket knife. The crowd jeers at her choices. Finding the first is difficult. One is finally located in a deserted museum's cluttered basement. The second causes consternation among the deciding committee, but law says 2 items. 2 are given. Una is unceremoniously dumped on the island Yaiko. The wild winds whipping around her head and storms threatening. Una builds a birch shelter, christening it Domus Calicani. Searching through reeds growing along the shore, Una finds one with the perfect diameter, cuts a 12-inch length, and makes a simple flute. By evening, all needs are met, a source of music and finest literature. Laughing to herself, she realizes she also needs nourishment. The island shares its berries, nuts, and mushrooms. Content she has made the best of her situation, Una lays under the bower and sleeps. Now, after 5 months, Una is content. During the day, she shares soliloquies and poetry with the wind. At dusk, the birds teach her songs to echo on her flute. Una tends her bower and courtyard, knowing that when the men come to rescue her and take her back, she will refuse. And if Isaac has managed, as planned, to be on her rescue craft, instead of her exiting the island, he will join her, and they will start their new beginning.